in. It is the end of OnStage. We had so much fun.
Oh my gosh, it was amazing.
Saw so many cool things, met so many new people that we haven't seen in person because we've seen them all online. We just got back from our uplines gathering and made some make and takes there. Thanks so much for joining us in these videos. We hope you enjoyed seeing all of the sneak peeks and all the fun that we had. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you see some more fun times that we have and some card inspiration. But that is all we have for you, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Bye.